Now it's time to create the migration. So I'm going to go to my terminal. Let's clean this up a bit. Let's put in the command node ace make migration, and we'll call this movies. All right, so I created my migration, and it will be available under database migrations, that big number, movies.ts. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. Close out my movie.ts, and cool, it got me started with my migrations. So now what we need to do is go in here and add some columns. If you recall, when I created my movies model, I have all these columns here. So I also want to add these to our migration. Okay, let's go ahead and start adding in the columns. Table.string, and then the first one is title. And we'll make all these not nullable. All right, the next one, table.string. And let's create the column for poster underscore image. And make sure you spell it right. Also not nullable. This next one is release underscore year. Followed by top underscore build. Then genres. Then movie underscore description. And then finally, movie underscore review. Let's now go ahead and run this migration and see if it updates my database. To run the migration, we'll go back to the terminal. And I don't remember what the migration command is, so let's go ahead and take a look at the help. And we can see here that the command will be migration run. So let's go ahead and run that. Node ace migration :run. Perfect. Looks like it has migrated the database. Let's just go ahead and check just to be sure. All right, so I have my database open here in Table Plus, and let's go ahead and refresh. And great, I could see under Adonis schema that the database migration ran, and it has this entry here. And then under movies, we could see that all the columns show up as expected.